Welcome back, everyone. I am your host, Byron Key, and this is Excel Radio, where we are looking to excel the lives of our listeners through enhanced thinking and information. Now, today's topic is going to be the two forms that report income, the two most common forms that report income. And if you were tuned into the last episode, you understand that you submit a Form 1040 to the IRS that's going to determine whether you have a tax liability, owe taxes, or are going to receive a tax refund. Now, it's all going to be based on your income and the taxes that you paid on your income. And so the first and the most common tax form that reports income is the W-2. This is going to be for full-time employees, part-time employees, anyone who has worked for someone that has an EIN number, which means employer identification number, or a TIN number, taxpayer identification number, and they have given you income based on the work that you've done. Now, the W-2 reports your withholdings, withholdings are the taxes that you paid off the income in box 2. Now, again, this form is only going to come from employees, so you would have to be working for an entity to receive a W-2. And the second type of form that reports income is going to be a 1099. Now, the 1099 encompasses all other ways that you can receive income. For instance, the 1099-R is for those of you all who are retired and you draw on your retirement plans. You also have a 1099-SA. This is for those of you all who have health savings accounts, and you may have used some of the monies that were inside of that account. You're going to receive a 1099-SA. There are various types of 1099s, and they report all of the other income that is outside of full-time employment. So that's going to wrap up today's episode. We talked about the two forms that report income that you use to fill out your Form 1040. I hope you got something out of today's episode, and I look forward to the next. I am your host, Byron Keith, signing off.